Dude, why is it not working? There we go. All right, so you guys should be able to hit that link and actually see my screen a little bit better. I don't know why my mic is being kind of weird right now. Yo, yo. Am I not sharing my screen? I guess I'm not. There we go. Sorry, guys. Good morning, Cloud. Here we go. All right, bet. You guys can hear me now. We're all good. Okay. So let me go back into what I was talking about. If we look on the higher time frame on the daily, delivering bullishly right here off of this inversion, very obvious. Like I want to be bullish, but on the lower time frame, we're honestly not in alignment, and I'm totally okay. It's the day before CPI. I'm totally okay with not like going hard and trying to look for a trade. If something develops, definitely we could take something, but two off support. Nice guys, nice trades. There we go. Smokey. I'm not sleeping no more. But yeah, guys, it's been a good week so far. I think we already had our red folder this morning. We just had a CPI tomorrow, which is still like pretty important news event. Took out quite a bit of sell side right here on the ES. Yeah, I don't mind changing my bias to go short, but definitely has to be a very obvious trade. The weeks go by fast and the weekends feel so long since I've been trading futures. For sure, bro. Futures has to be the most exciting way of trading. Definitely beats like currencies and slower moving. Yes, sir. Got a mad crowd going. When you pass accounts, that's what happens. Take that pre-market open. Nice, bro. Keep your head up and your bed up. Yes, sir. See if something develops here on the higher time frame. Have this fair value gap already made up here. Potentially another fair value gap. If so, we have some more lows to go. Hate the weekends now, for sure, bro. When I see some good news lined up, I can't wait to trade. When I see FOMC though, cooked, bro. Yeah, I'm looking for sells, but I'm waiting for essentially a fair value gap to form. Some confirmation, if you see the 1 minute, there's not really anything to work with. So I'm just waiting for us to have more development. Full port and pray. Yo, what's good, Ian? What's a liquidity void to go lower though, right? On the 1 minute. I kind of no, I think the 5 minute could, when you have like a bunch of highs and wicks lined up right here on the lower time frame, you're likely to just like raid them out and then you run. So I think we raid out those highs, we enter a 5 minute fair value gap, and then we continue. That's what I think. We'll see though. If you woke up broke, should have never went to sleep. Yes, sir. You take any trades? No, sir. We're waiting for some more confirmation. For 5 minutes about to close. We got about 30 seconds. We'll see if we make a fair value gap in here. All right, I'm gonna place a limit order right here. MenQ. Might be on the wrong asset actually. So on the 5 minute fair value gap, I'm gonna place a limit order. We'll see if it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, I'm looking for sells off of this 5 minute fair value gap. And if it runs without me, it runs without me. Whatever. You gotta have discipline. And I'm definitely not gonna force anything if we don't need to. Buying gold on Nas. Buying gold so Nas should be sells. Interesting. Sometimes it works like that. What do I think about US 30 longs? I'm definitely more bearish on US 30. You don't really want to go against like another indice in the opposite direction. Like if the other two are obviously like bearish, you don't want to go the other way. All right, well, I'm gonna cancel this order, guys. Because it looks like it's just gonna run. Let's look at gold. See what's up with gold. Oh man, it's kind of rough. Sideways all day. Okay, actually, did we take out the slow? We're forming a 1 minute fair value gap right here on ES. Actually, it just needs to be lower. Do I want to enter that? So we kind of already tagged this low. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna enter that, but that is a possible entry. Fair value gap. Asia low looked too juicy for a pullback. Yes, sir. Yesterday lows, possibly. What is S&P? Well, it's MES. Well, that's for the micro version, but the normal version is ES. That's just the S&P 500 futures. That's like US 500, I think. I think we hit yesterday, previous daily lows. All right, I changed my mind. I am gonna put a limit order right here in case we do come back. Because we're pushing hard. Yeah. Can you show us how to set up our legacy layout? Yeah, it's very easy. Go over to the trade tab, click chart, and it's gonna populate one, and then click a second time so that you have it like on the side right here, and you just drag it over, and you could add it like that. One little one NQ. Hey bro, you could do a lot of damage with one mini. Alright, I just got tagged in. We'll see if this works out for us. I've already had quite a bit of expansion, so we'll see. I'm gonna aim for these lows down here. Two lined up lows. Heavy pullbacks. I'm light sized. Sell on ES. And actually I'm gonna give myself some more room right here because NQ's pulling in. How do you get the main order on the layout? Um, so you could make a bracket order right here, and I'll send a little like screenshot so you can see. You can make a bracket order using the trade bar. You click plus plus on the TPN cell, and then basically you set the amount that you want, and you could adjust it on the screen afterwards. You just like drag it. Let's go, boys. So looking for basically an inversion here now. I'm gonna move my stop loss lower. Gonna add a little bit more size there. Tagged into the inversion. That's awesome. We're chilling. Double confirmation right there. Branda said, "Ooh, he's cooking." Yeah, I'm in shorts on the fair value gap inversion either entry. NQ basically has the same exact setup. Let's pull him back a little bit. How did I just add size? I just set up another bracket order basically. Technicals look great. We're just a little consolidated. Looks really good though. I'm gonna partial out 5 right here. These lows. And then I have my main target with my full size down here. All right, out partially of my position, gonna tighten my size, tighten my stop loss right there, and then the rest will keep for the full target. Am I going break even? No, I must just stay kind of like tighter right here, because it's like we're kind of low into that range and we haven't moved much. So if you're higher in this trade, up like if you're up here, then yeah, that makes sense. I think right here I'm too close. Yes, sir, green boss. Partial secured. Nice, Billy. If you guys want to get out, you guys are cool to get out. Another fair value up right there. If we deliver bearishly off of this fair value gap, we'll be good to go break even. If not, we might need to give it space. On your funded account, sick, bro. I'm in on cells on ES. How do you close a partial? So when you're on bracket orders, you're gonna want to take away the TP and stop loss, and then you could either sell or buy market, and that's how you basically exit. So if I buy 5 right now, and while having these bracket orders off, it'll take me out of 5 contracts. Quick one for you, 1100. Yeah, no worries, Ian. I'll catch you later, bro. Nice trades. We're really sideways right here. Profit secured. Awesome, bro. Gonna let one mini run. Let's go. One mini for a runner is sick. Later, bro. Take care. Yeah. I'm gonna exit here, guys. We secured a little bit of partials. It's just kind of sideways. But TP1 hit. Nice little trade for a pre-CPI day. But tomorrow, we're gonna run it up, guys. Gonna have even better price action than this, just because of the news. And also, like today, we're relatively consolidated. We should get out of this range by tomorrow. Just looking at the daily, like 4 days kind of stuck together. Four-hour, would like to see this hold, or we go the other way. It doesn't really matter as long as we could catch something right. What time is CPI news at? It's at 5:30. Let me pull it up right here. It's at 5:30, so it's pre-market, but usually price doesn't move until like market open around 9:30. So still good setups overall. Yeah, all out there, guys. Ending the day positive. Looks like we're pulling back now. What are you guys up to today? Anyone got plans other than running up a bag? Is it IFEG now? No, I'm not looking for another trade, honestly. Here, I think it'll be just sideways right here. Now that we didn't run, takes most people days to make 237. Yeah, bro, it's not bad. At work right now, then a side job after. Yes, sir. Go secure that bag, Gabriel. About to hit the gym. Joris, that's a great way to take a little break, blow off some steam. I have quite a bit of things to do today. Gonna go start my meal prep. Probably hit the gym after. And I have a new video coming out soon. It's a different format, so it's pretty sick. Basically, I'm recording off my phone and I'm recording my screens, but I'm kind of showing you guys like my POV of like me trading and what that looks like. What time will you be on tomorrow? I'm on every day at 6:45. Yeah, George, this is gonna be a sick little video. Kind of a POV day in the life with Chris. I'm gonna be in the gym with like a huge tripod. I'm hitting like a plate on bench press. No, I'm just playing. But I'm like the loudest in the gym with the biggest camera. In case you look down by accident. That's funny. That's so funny. um, it was a good trading day, guys. We took it nice and slow, nice and patient. But probably head out now. Of course, of course. Loudest, biggest camera, lightest weights. That sums it up pretty much. Slamming the deadlift. Ah. All right, guys. It's time for me to go. Let's catch you guys tomorrow. We'll run it up, of course. But peace, peace, guys. Thank you for stopping by.